What is up, Glam and Style fam? Welcome back to my channel. This video is for you if you're nosy and you like to see what people buy on the internet. I'm one of those people. So I'm doing an unboxing of just PR things I've gotten in from 2 companies, and then just things I've been picking up for future content for you all. So let's just get into it. Let's not waste any time. So first up, we got some jewelry. I love jewelry. I think it's like the easiest way to transform your wardrobe. And I have in some new jewels from Gorjana. I have been partnered with the brand for a little over a year, but it's been in my jewelry wardrobe for years because I've been obsessed with the brand. I love the quality of it. I like the way that you can style it. And I think they keep evolving into becoming more chic and more modern and very effortless always. So I've got some new stuff in. Each month I can pick out a few pieces to share with you all. Most of that content I do create is over on Instagram. So go follow me there for more like daily style. But they have a new collection in, and it is the Crew collection. And I grabbed the bracelet. I'm going to show it with you. So I knew I would get obsessed with this bracelet. The detail for the Crew collection is like this rope twisting look. I'm obsessed. So I just wanted a new bracelet to add into like a stack pretty easily. And this fits like perfectly. And then I also got earrings. I love statement earrings. The ones that I'm wearing, I received last month from Gorjana is from the Alice collection, but I stayed with the Crew collection. Usually whenever I'm picking things out, I'll stay within the collections just to mix it in with things I already own. So this is the next piece, which is the Crew versatile hoops. I stay within the same style family, and like I said, you'll see that same detailing throughout the collection for Crew. I thought these are just fun. I don't do anything with a post back because my earlobes are stretched, so anything you see me with is great if you have like stretched hoops. And these are really always like lightweight. Like they do a great job with creating beautiful jewelry that's not overly heavy. So I cannot wait to style these. And if you want to see that content, make sure you just head over to my Instagram. The next item from PR I have is from Merit Beauty. They sent me over like their whole collection, except one thing I think was out of stock, which was a beauty tool, but no big deal. They really are into easy to do makeup, and I'm here for it. My routine has totally simplified over the past year for sure, but I felt like I was getting into a space where I just like something that just makes me look like myself, not overly done. So I'm going to try these products out, and then I'll film with them like what I really love and how I'm incorporating it into my routine. This bag is adorable. I've been eyeing this brand for a while online too. And then in it are like all of the goodies. I did want to actually try one of these on camera. That's the blood, the shade stick. Okay, so this is what I wanted to try with you all, which was the lip product. What I'm wearing today is very neutral, so I thought that would be good. No scent. I actually like that. Sometimes I don't really like those fragrances, but this, ooh. In the viewfinder, I'm like, I think I'm really into this. Oh, I'm excited now. I'm excited. Okay, I'll be trying these out and sharing them with you all really soon in like an actual routine. This is called the Flesh Balm. It's just like the cheek color. I'm going to swatch it on the back of my hand. Oh, that's lovely. This is the Raspberry Beret. And so I'm really curious to see how this really plays out on my face with the whole application, because blush, like powder blush in general, will break down on my skin a little quicker. I'm a little oily combination, and this is more of that area where the oil can pop through. So because this is like the balm formula, that creamy formula, I'm really curious about the staying power of it. Like, I'm not going in with high hopes because I'm just like, how is this really gonna work? But I like the feel of it being very sheer. I can tell I can blend this in pretty well, and it just gives a little flush of color to the skin. And then this is the Perfecting Complexion Stick. Now, they don't sell a separate concealer. This is like the all-in-one, which I love a good under eye concealer. So your girl is like, what is going to go down here? But this, oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, this turns it. How embarrassing. I ended up going with the color Sienna. I don't know. I'm trying to get that to adjust. I don't know if that's going to adjust in my lighting right now. Like, I'm in front of my window. I have my ring light and everything. Interesting. I think this would be a good match because once I blend it down, it seems to like really disappear into the skin almost. I wonder if that'll help. I'm sorry. I promise this won't be the last of you see this. So like, stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. So in this bag are a couple of little workout outfits from Fabletics. I had credits chilling. I sometimes forget to hit skip by the 5th, even if I set a reminder, like I'll just be on the go and forget. So I had some credits. They had my sizes in stock finally, and I grabbed a few pieces from it. So let's see what I'll pull out first. Okay, so actually I really love leopard print, so I was really excited about this one. This is the Miele Midi Medium Impact Sports Bra. This has like the little pocket on the back of the sports bra, and the color this is, I think it's called Ecru with black logo. So I got the sports bra and I got it in a size large, and then I also got the shorts. I love their like biker shorts for sure, and all of these I got of course to work out in, but if I need to run around in errands, easy. This is a high-waisted one, so it has some good, nice, firm hold. We need that as we're getting tightened up. And then I got 2 sets from the, I think, is it Aniko? Babe, is Kevin Hart's wife named Aniko? Oh, yeah. From the Aniko Hart collection. I just feel like I'm going to always botch somebody's name, so I always think I have it wrong. But this is the Oasis high-waisted 7/8 legging. It's like in this pretty peachy color. This is so out of my comfort zone because I'm so conscious about how my body looks while working out, and I tend to stick to like darker colors. But I'm going to grow my confidence and put on something that's like outside of my comfort zone. I'm so nervous, but this color is beautiful, so I couldn't resist. So I got the leggings and that. And then I also got another, like the matching sports bra. And I think this one is actually called the Lydia Built-In Bra Tank. So it's a little bit longer lined. It still looks kind of like a regular sports bra to me. You're still going to have midriff showing. But of course, I just wanted to get like the matching exact sets. That's what I'm into right now. And the other things from the Aniko Hart collection, this is like the Jacquard print, I think that's what they call it, the Ivana seamless sports bra. This one doesn't feel like it's a high compression, so I'm really gonna go on a whim and say this is like a low impact sports bra. But I just again fell in love with the color. I just know it's gonna look good on me. I just need to get over like my own self and like just wear it with confidence. And then I got the matching leggings for this too. So this was the high-waisted seamless Jacquard legging. So it has like this little print to it. I'm gonna pop that in right there. But it's just a full-length legging, seamless. It seems to have like a solid hold, nothing like high compression. Right now I'm working out, doing mostly like Pilates and some weight training. So this will be good for like Pilates because you're on the reformer in the class and you're not having to jump around or do anything stressful. So I had some credits, I redeemed them all and got 3 outfits. Okay. All right, so you know this logo, and coming up to the Amazon portion of unboxing, I've been trying to find ways to do like affordable spring content, and of course to me I have Amazon Prime. I think it's easy to just find some pieces on there that will give you style. Like there are hits and misses on there. All right, everybody knows this logo, and I got a box of some Amazon stuff. I am personally going to be doing like little trips around Florida safely. And I wanted to get some pieces going for that. And I did not want to really break the bank. Also, I know like shopping is still a luxury for so many people. So if I can find steals to share with you all, absolutely I will. There are clear hits and misses on Amazon, and it can be a lot navigating those waters. So I love doing reviews. So I got these for myself and then also for you, of course. I do need to make the setting where they use less packaging because I love ordering online, but I hate the packaging. And this is like going to be in 2 pieces because I already got some stuff in. But in this box, I ended up getting a shirt dress. So some of the stuff came in a little while ago that I was planning to use for like Amazon content. But this one's like a shirt dress and it doesn't come tied, but I'll pop in a photo of it. But it ties at the waist and it has some ruching. It just seemed like something easy to throw on, comes in a ton of colors. I went with like the olive green because it's one of my really favorite go-to colors. And this is something I'm thinking you throw on a day off if you're going to grocery or if you are doing a little like vacationing this year. Just easy to like throw into your bag and wear in a few different ways. You can put some wedges with it. I think this will look really cute with sneakers. That's how I plan to wear it. Layer it with a denim jacket if you get cold like me. Just one of those pieces you can do a whole lot with for a little bit of money. All right, this is just a ribbed knit crop tank top. I got this in the chocolate like color, or I think it was called brown or chocolate. Anyways, I got it in a different color already from the previous round of goodies I got in. But I fell in love when I tried it on and I knew that this would be a good one to get in a secondary color. So I just got like an easy like beige tan color. And you all will see it completely in an Amazon spring haul. So this is just like a little bit, just a little teaser for you. I also grabbed this tan midi pencil skirt. It's just one of those pieces I don't have in my wardrobe, but I know it's like an easy throw on for anybody. And right now my body's changing. I'm on a fitness journey. I had like a rib knit skirt, but like the split is going way too wide. So I know it's a little too small for me. So I wanted just to replace it, but I didn't want to splurge and I picked this one up. All right, last piece I got from Amazon was actually a handbag, and I think all the fixings are in the bag. I hope this ends up okay because y'all are literally seeing my first reactions to everything. Okay. It's like a bag within a bag. It's supposed to look like those like designer bags with a little extra coin pouch. And I have designer bags. I refuse to splurge this year. That is just how I'm living my life and having to live my life. I do not know how this is supposed to attach. Like it's supposed to be like this, then with the strap, the coin. I'll pop in a photo of how it's supposed to look. So let's try to assemble this. Oh, I really wanted this look too. Okay, I think I'm figuring it out. Like, so it has like these clips and then just a loop. So like, okay, I think that's how it's supposed to like hang with the 2 pouches. And then here's the strap. So you attach that. I just wasn't expecting this, and I didn't really look at the picture how it was assembled, to be honest. I just found that this was kind of the best look for what I was going for and had good reviews. Oh, it has a little chain as well. How cute. Okay. So this is like little change pouch portion of it. Let's pop it on. Now, I don't, on camera it doesn't look that bad. In person, the strap is a little deeper in the tan shade. But I thought the tan looked the best. I think like the black kind of looked cheap. So I went with that. You know, it is cheap, but I don't want it to look cheap. Okay, so I think this is it. Like, I think this is the whole contraption. the look for a lot less. When it comes to my handbag collection, it is a mix of high and low for sure. Just because I have designer handbags, I have some that are classic, some that are trendy. I've committed right now not to really investing into designer handbags, especially trendy ones. Like I still want like a classic flap from Chanel and whatnot. I'm just not there yet to buy that. So I can get my quick fix with finding handbags, of course, at Amazon. And I like this one because it's not like a blatant knockoff. Like it's not taking the same Louis Vuitton print and putting it onto a handbag. So I thought that was just like a fun, quick add into the wardrobe for spring and summer. Oh, now I'm trying to find also some more sustainable alternatives to everyday products. And from the brand Package Free that's sold at Nordstrom, I found a toothbrush. I know, real exciting stuff. But this one is a like bamboo toothbrush, just because upwards of 2 billion plastic toothbrushes end up in the oceans and landfill every year. And I have definitely made an impact with that number that I'm not proud of. So here is a little bamboo toothbrush. So the bristles are biodegradable as well. So that really, I'm excited to have a more sustainable everyday toothbrush. I know it is an investment. It's not on everybody's priorities list, but I'm trying to find the little ways that I can reduce my impact. And I think like this is definitely one to target like household everyday uses. Last thing from Nordstrom, and I really didn't find these until after I did my whole Nordstrom spring haul, but I found them on sale. There were these faux leather shorts. How adorable are these? They're just like that paper bag silhouette, ties at the waist, really easy. And I thought this could be nice just to have something different and not like a traditional denim short. And you can transition this piece in spring and then back again in fall for sure. Okay, so the last thing I got was actually some restock of just like go-to products for my hair care. I have been using Monat since 2019. I know everyone has an opinion about the brand. Personally, my experience has been good, and technically I am a market partner. So if you're curious about it or you want to ask questions in a safe way, by all means. I love the detangler. I have been using this one to help with post-washing, detangling the hair. It doesn't have a lot of buildup, so I can easily go into styling my hair afterwards. Even though I'm natural, my hair cannot tolerate heavy products. It weighs it down, which is also why I picked up a restock of my air dry cream. It is my go-to styler because it is lightweight. It does help to seal up the hair, get the moisture, get a nice smooth twist out, and it is so lightweight. Like truly, this product alone will always keep me purchasing. And then I also grabbed the Scalp Purifying Scrub. I have not used this. This is a newer product. I don't jump on everything new that they come out with, full disclosure. But because I am working out more, I tend to sweat, and then it'll cause a lot of buildup on the scalp. So I really want to be conscious of it because I've worked really hard to get my hair healthy and not have scalp buildup. And that is just a struggle point when I do work out. I tend to sweat there. So I'm grabbing this. I'm going to see how I like it. I have high hopes for it, of course, but I'm going to be real about it. I'll see how it works with me. Now that is my unboxing, a little bit of essentials, a little bit of fashion and fun, and things that you could expect to see in future content. So I hope that got you excited as well. And if you want to stick around and get those notifications when I do upload, be sure that you're subscribed to the tribe and hit the bell notification so you know about my weekly uploads. Until then, you guys, let me know what's been your most recent purchase that you're excited about or things on your wish list down below in the comment box, and I'll catch you in the next video.